The indirect pathway inhibits unwanted movements, nullifying the disinhibitory actions of the direct pathway and restoring the inhibition of the motor thalamus achieve stopping a movement. The subthalamic nucleus, STN, that is responsible for this is under inhibition by the external segment of the globus pallidus, or GPE. This happens when the inhibition is lifted and the STN excites the inhibitory GPI that brings the motor thalamus to its original state. The STN also excites the substantia nigra, which too inhibits the motor thalamus. These actions of STN in influencing both substantia nigra and the GPI serve to halt the movement. Normally, excitatory and inhibitory signals balance each other in such a way that the body is able to carry out smooth and coordinated movements.